Tangri, the president of Pan India Network Limited. To his left, the stunning diva. I'm a big fan of you. We all know her, Malaika Arora Khan. Welcome. Mr. Sagar Sule, the CTO of Pan India Network Limited. Welcome, sir. I would request Mr. Tangri and Mr. Sule to felicitate Malaika with a token of appreciation. I would now request Mr. Rahul Tangri, the President of Pan India Network Limited, to please give the opening remarks. Welcome, sir.
A very good afternoon and a very happy new year to all of you. It gives us a real pleasure to see you all here again, once again after 3 months. Because last time we did it in September, August or September, this ceremony. And we are in habitual of making crorepati. To brief you more about and our CEO, Amit Goenka, they brought this technology in India in 2002. And since then, of a journey of 13 plus years, we are standing firm on the pillars of transparency, as she mentioned. And this is our success mantra. I would like to congratulate the Play Win winners. A big round of applause for all those guys, those who are here. From Aurangabad, from Nagpur, from Lucknow. And I would like to inform all of you that including these three, we have made 93 crorepatis till today. And if you calculate the 93 crorepatis in 13 years, which boils down to that around every 46th or 47th day, we make 1 crorepati in India. We have, this is crorepati, and we have made about 4,500 plus lakhpatis, which could be, let's say, in a week we make 3 days or 4 days we make 1 lakhpati for sure. We have distributed prize winning amount of more than 10,000 crores in last 13 years. We have given the government more than 1,000 crores in terms of taxes or whatever applicable taxes are there. As far as Play Win is concerned, we run purely as per the guidelines framed by the Home Ministry, Government of India, which says Lottery Regulation Act 1998 and Lottery Regulation Rules 2000. We are the only company in India wherein our draws are telecasted live on the national channels all across whenever there is. It is telecasted live, and our accounts, our draws are audited by none other than our biggest audit firm of the world, that is Ernst & Young. Yes, we are 13 years old, but we are young. We are growing, and our success and our strength is our trade partners. The distributors here, the retailers here, who have put in so much of support, cooperation, and they have given so much of faith in Play Win that we are here. Thank you so much, and we wish that you continue to support this way. I would like to tell you that Play Win is there in mobile, there in internet. You can play from mobile, you can play from internet. And we are the only company which we have everything in-house in India. We have our own data center. We have our own world-class technology, which is headed by none other than Sagar Sule, who takes care of it. We have a 50 R&D department people, those who work day and night to know what games we have to produce in and out, and we have been doing so. We got this technology from outside the country, and now today we are so strong that from people from outside countries are coming to us to take this technology from India. So a big round of applause for Sagar Sule and team also. We have a huge network of 7,500 plus retailers with world-class technology and the exclusive POS system. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not take much of your time. I just want to tell you that we were number one, we are number one, and we will continue to be number one till this industry lasts. Thank you so much. And I request now Sagar to put in some words, please. Thank you.
Thanks, Rahul. And at the outset, I would like to welcome our distinguished guests and all my dear retailers, distributors, friends from the media, and my colleagues. A very good afternoon to everyone. As we start the new year, okay, let me wish all the winners first. Heartiest congratulations and Happy New Year to everyone. I hope the luck of these winners, because we are around here, okay, percolates down to the members who are sitting here, and maybe some other members become lucky enough to become the future Karodpatis or Lakpatis. Okay, so all the best. As far as the technology is concerned, Rahul has briefed us that yes, we use world-class technology based on the global Lotum format, and we use techniques which are most modern as per the technology advancement goes. I know that all of us here have gathered to see the winners being felicitated, and also would like to hear some kind words from the distinguished guests. So I won't take much of your time. Only I would reiterate Levin's mantra before I stop. Khelo India Khelo. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sule, for that very warm welcome. Thank you, Mr. Rahul. And now I would like to call Malaika Arora Khan from there, to share her thoughts on the event and on Playwin.
Thank you very much. Firstly, everybody, a very, very happy new year. I hope everyone's had a wonderful year so far, and I'm looking forward to 2016. I'd like to firstly wish all the members of the press, all our guests over here who've come, Mr. Sule, Mr. Tangri, thank you so much for all those wonderful words. It feels amazing. I'll be very honest, I've heard about Playwin, and I've heard all about this, but I really didn't know how it actually plays out. I really didn't know. I've seen it, I've watched it, I've seen all those numbers and everybody go all, crazy about it, but I didn't know how it actually works. So I'm really glad that I can be here. I've learned something new today. So first I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate each one of our 7 Playwin mega winners over here, our mega jackpot winners. So congratulations. That's fantastic, and well, like Mr. Tangri said, this, dreams come true. You have sitting in your house, you can actually make dreams come true, and it's amazing that the opportunities that you're giving, to all these wonderful people out there, actually brings a smile to their face. It gives them a sense of hope. It gives them a sense of wanting to achieve something, and I think that's amazing. I think anybody who can bring a smile to anyone's face is you're blessed. That's all I can say. Because in today's day and age, to bring a smile on someone's face is probably the most difficult thing on God's good earth. But I'm really glad that I can be over here, and it's quite amazing. How can I become a crorepati? Hey, you tell me, na? I mean, I want to know, give me, how do I add, forget add, how do we become a crorepati? Tell me that, I need to know the secret. I'm really amazed. I'm like, all with just a what, a 10 rupee ticket, you can actually, and some luck. Of course, lady luck is very important. Kismat is very, very important. So all you're saying is with a 10 rupee ticket and some luck added to it, you can actually become ghar baithe baithe, online, right? All these apps are online. You can become a crorepati, you can become a lakpati, and what more do you want? I think that is brilliant. I think it's the most amazing concept ever.
Yeah, I just want to add one thing more. The highest in the history of India jackpot, we have given 17.65 crores to one lucky winner. Way back in which year? 2006, 7. Right.
Wow, that is amazing. I just want to tell all our amazing 7 winners over there, 10% आपका मेरे लिए, ठीक है? हाँ, बनता है यार. I think that's only fair. But I'm really glad, I'm really honored, jokes apart, that I can be here to witness this amazing, check handover ceremony. I'm really happy that I can be part of today's events and today's proceedings. So without any further delay and further ado, I would like. But before we go any further, I just want to know: can I try my hand? I mean, you're talking about luck.
Please do come
all
on.
of that. Can I try my hand?
Sure, please come.
So we have a Playvin terminal right there.
आपको लेडी लगता है?
हाँ मोबाइल में बता लेकिन हमारे ये ऐसा पीछे मैडम अरे मैडम
This is what it is. Congratulations.
Mr. Tanvi and Ms. Malaika will felicitate the winner. Congratulations, Mr. Anil. Yes, I want to know कि किसका चेहरा देखा आपने उसमें? Who did you? बहुत खुश है. क्या करेंगे मतलब इस चेक के साथ? क्या करें? पैसे का क्या करेंगे आप? बांटोगे? आप सब इनवाइटेड हो. Congratulations and all the very best and enjoy it, and I'm really happy for you. Thank you so much. Congrats. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Anil. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Somdeo of Shri Sai Center to collect his commission check of rupees 2.64 lakhs. The retailers are a very integral part of the Playvin family. And we felicitate them with 2% of the total amount, that is 2.1% of the total amount. So, Mr. Somdev of Shri Sai Center. Somdev ji, congratulations. 2.64 lakhs has been won by Mr. Somdeo of Shri Sai Center. Next we have our second Playvin crorepati of the afternoon. Could we have Mr. Girish Patel, and he has won the Playvin Thunderbolt Lotto winner. A total amount of rupees 3 crores 56 lakhs.
कॉलोनी को लेके आए हैं।
एक्सक्यूज मी थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए बेसी जाओ नीचे बेसी जाओ भाई नीचे बैठ
फैमिली को तो
नीचे बेसी जाओ
अरे क्या फिर टीवी पे
अरे हम लोग को नहीं मिल रहा है
अरे टीवी पे नहीं दिखेगा घर पे दिखेगा
अरे मोबाइल
Congratulations, Girish.
भाई पाछड़ आवी जाओ
And the entire family, very, very proud moment, I'm sure.
आइए देखो
चलो
औरंगाबाद से आए हैं।
Girish,
गिरीश, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो?
Girish, आप मुझे बताइए इतने सारे पैसे आप क्या करने वाले हैं?
प्रोडक्शन लाइन नहीं आना सोच रहा हूँ।
क्या बना रहे हैं?
चलो इससे तो दोस्ती बैठ कर रही है। Thank you so much. Please बताइए।
लेविन के लिए एक मैसेज देना है। अभी पिताजी ने मुझे एक बार बोला था, जो खेलेगा वही जीतेगा। कोई भी खेल हो लाइफ का, you win if you play and play with patience। ये बोलूँगा। कब से खेल रहे हैं? मैं कंसेक्यूटिव 3 साल से खेल रहा हूँ। Very good।
Congratulations once again. आप बताएं आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। आज ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ही खुश हूँ, बहुत बहुत गॉड ब्लेस यू। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज मुझे भगवान ने बहुत ही मेहरबानी कर दी। थैंक यू।
क्या कहानी था? बताइए।
कुछ कहानी बता रहे थे सबको।
रात को क्या सोच रहे थे?
नंबर देके I was stunned, मतलब मैं stunned था। नंबर देख के ना
अरे भाई शो अरे मोबाइल मोबाइल भाई कट करो नीचे बैठे जाओ
हमारे माइक पकड़ने की इच्छा लेकिन
आपने डांस किया, आपने क्या किया?
उसी के बारे में मुझे बोलना था। अब she was close, मतलब नजदीक में वो थी, तो मैं बोला बताऊं उसको, तो she was sleeping, उसको उठा के नहीं बताया मैंने।
रात को आप शिवरिंग, लेकिन इस वक्त आपको मतलब वो शिवरिंग चला गया ना? अभी ये है, अभी इस वक्त सबके लिए आप 2 स्टेप कीजिए, खुशी के स्टेप्स आप कीजिए सबके लिए। आपको प्रोडक्शन करना है ना? हम आपके साथ करेंगे।
Very good. 3, 2, 1. Yes. God bless you. God bless you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mr. Girish Patel and family. I would now like to invite Mr. Ajay of Siddhi Vinayak Online to collect his commission check of rupees 2.7 lakhs. Congratulations, sir.
कमीशन जो लॉटरी वाले सोचता रहेगा ना अगर मैंने खेल दिया
Congratulations. And now our third Playwin Crorepati. For the Playwin Saturday Super Lotto, the winner is Mr. Vishwagor. On behalf of Mr. Vishwagor, we have Mr. Ketan, who will be collecting the check.
मेट्रो
Mr. Ketan.
इंग्लिश किधर है
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Mr. India.
Wait.
And I would now like to invite Mr. Anil of Ambika Online to collect their commission check of rupees 2.2 lakhs. Congratulations. Mubarak ho aapko. And now our Lakpatis, ladies and gentlemen. Our Lakpatis, Ujjwala Shinde, who has won 60 lakhs. Let's get the applause-o-meter. Miss Asha Thakkar, who has won 5 lakhs.
60 लाख दिए
As long as it's native, then it's fine.
Congratulations. God bless you.
And Asha Thakkar, who has won 5 lakhs. On behalf of Asha Thakkar, we have Vinay, who would be collecting the check.
ताशेबाजी मैंने ट्राइडेंट
बड़े खुश लग रहे हैं। सर, आप मुझे देख रहे हैं या चेक कर रहे हैं?
I would request Vimal Saya to please come on the stage to collect his check of 5 lakhs.
नहीं ले रहा
Congratulations! आपको खुशी होनी चाहिए, थोड़ी जलन हो रही है आपको, थोड़ा ताली बजाओ।
आएगा, डोंट वरी, अभी इनके लिए ताली आ जाती है।
3 साल जाते हैं भारत में आज आपको लगा तो 10
Our next winner,
आपका आज हमारा पत्रकार दिन है
Prerna Vinod Dula, who has won 2,50,000. Could we have on stage Mahesh ji to take the check? Okay, and now request all the crorpatis to come on stage. Crorpatis, सारे crorpatis. आ जाइए।
हमारे फ्रेंड में है ये
साथ में।
देखिए क्या है गांव जवान है अरे साथ में
करोड़पति आ जाइए।
बराबर है गांव जवान फैमिली लोग
लखपति जी आ जाइए। आ जाओ।
किधर गए चेक ले पहले बैंक
नीचे बैठ जाओ दिख रहे काफी भाई
सही है टेबल आएगा पीछे
Yes. So all the crorpatis and the lakpatis, please come.
अरे awesome है थैंक यू ग्रुप गया
And the Playman team also, please join in. Playman team.
सुनील
Is everyone here? Show me a smile. Come on. ओके अभी आपको प्लेविन का टैगलाइन बोलना है, क्या है? खेलो इंडिया गोल। वही जोश में बोलना है, साथ में बोलना है कैमरा के सामने। ओके अभी ऑल सेट, रेडी है हम? खेलो इंडिया गोल, खेलो 3 2 1।
और एक बार
फिर से
एक और बार।
टुगेदर विद मोर एनर्जी 3 2 1। Fantastic, thank you so much. Thank you. We will now have the cake cutting, and before the cake cutting, I would like to have a word with Malaika. So Malaika, I'm going to ask you a small rapid fire question. I'm going to give you a word, and if you have to just say whatever comes in your mind. Okay? So the first word is lucky. Me? I agree. All right, Plavin. Mr. Tangri. Lottery. Mr. Tangri. All right, and Malaika. Sweet and naughty and fun and lucky. Malaika, there are a lot of people who still don't believe in luck, और उनको लगता है कि ये सब फिजूल है। आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं उनको?
I think luck is a very important factor in anybody's life. Hard work is what takes you where you are. But in सबके जिंदगी में थोड़ा बहुत luck और जैसे कहते हैं destiny, whatever is your destiny is inevitable. But I think luck plays a huge part in your life. But of course, you shouldn't rely completely on it. Hard work is very essential. It's a combination of both that actually propels you to wherever you are.
Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for the lady luck, Malaika Arora Khan here? And we have the cake. Mr. Tangri, Mr. Sule, Malaika.
मैसेज मागवलं का म्हटलं
All the winners, crores, lakpatis, I want you to stand. All the winners.
लोग खाएंगे वो भी जला देंगे। अरे वो डाइट पे वो नहीं खाएगी।
My heartiest congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much for being here. We'll have one photo op together. Tell the winners, please use the money wisely.